This instructional video will show you how to cut gaskets up to 6-inch diameter using Allpax Compact Gasket Cutter. Let's get started. If existing gasket is available, use a pencil to trace outline onto gasket material. Otherwise, lay out outer diameter, inner diameter, and pitch circle diameter directly onto gasket material. To determine bolt hole locations, watch our bolt hole locator video. Another way to determine bolt hole locations is using a paper template with outer diameter, inner diameter, and pitch circle diameter. Transfer the bolt hole location center pins with piercing tool or pencil tip. Choose center pin approximately ½ inch longer than thickness of gasket material. Insert center pin into silver hole at end of cutting block. Using cutter block as a handle, pierce center of gasket material with center pin. Disengage cutter block, leaving center pin protruding through gasket material. Insert protruding center pin into recessed ferrule located in the center of cutting board. Loosen cutting blade thumb screw on cutter block. Position cutting blade to protrude slightly beyond thickness of gasket material. Tighten thumb screw. Loosen top thumb screw. Slide pivot post indicator to desired outer diameter on cutter block scale. Tighten top thumb screw. Position pivot post hole over center pin. Ensure cutter block is lying flat on gasket material. With slightly downward pressure on cutting block, rotate cutter block clockwise to cut. Simultaneously press down on gasket material to prevent rotation. Punch out bolt holes using hole punch. Loosen top thumb screw. Slide pivot post to desired inner diameter. Tighten top thumb screw. Repeat cutting steps. Cut straight strips. Completely unthread top thumb screw. Remove pivot post washer and indicator. Remove pivot post from cutter block. Slide pivot post washer onto pivot post. Reinsert pivot post with washer into bottom of cutter block. Be sure flat side of pivot post block faces cutting blade. Replace indicator. Rethread top thumb screw. To cut a desired width, set indicator to double the width plus 3/16 inches. For example, to cut 1 inch width, set indicator to 2 3/16 of an inch. To cut a desired width, loosen cutting blade thumb screw on cutter block. Position cutting blade to protrude slightly beyond thickness of gasket material. Tighten thumb screw. Place gasket material on cutting board. Align edge of gasket material with cutting board. Press down on gasket material. With slight downward pressure, run cutting block along edge of cutting board using flat side of pivot post block as a guide. For thicker gasket materials, use edge of gasket material itself as a guide.